Hi, I'm Marcia Oro, and I'm with Osa Tropical Properties. I'm in Chontales at the moment, just a little south of Ojochal. I'm here showing you my brand new listing. Look at this door, first of all. Isn't that just fabulous? And as you can see, we have a spectacular ocean view of the Osa Peninsula. You can see some little islands out there, Drake Bay. They get fabulous sunsets here. A gorgeous infinity pool. And really nice landscaping. The tile is travertine. And they have a big outdoor area here to sit and enjoy the sunset and be under roof. I just want to point out these great rocks. I hear they're very, very old. Just have a little quick walk through of the yard. These are cypress bushes. They're the nicest ones I've ever seen. Gorgeous caladium down here. And really cute little cave shower area. That's all private in amongst the palm trees. I really love this little spot. Walk into the main living area again. High ceilings, big room. They have a piano that can go with the house. Everything else is included, all of the furniture. And this house has 3 bedrooms. This is the first one, the guest bedroom. Really nice size, queen size bed. The house has beautiful wood ceilings. Here's their full bathroom for guests. And they have a door to the outside, and then just a quick look at their laundry room here. The bedrooms are on opposite sides, so let's just walk through here and go see the kitchen. It has indoor dining as well as outdoor dining. So you get to choose. Very nice appliances, induction stove, dishwasher, high quality stainless steel appliances, A lot of the really great small appliances come with the house. A lot of cupboard space and a lot of beautiful wood. Nice light fixtures. Very nicely done. This is a broom closet. Thought that was a great place for a broom closet. And then they have a dehumidified pantry here. In fact, at this house, they have 4 dehumidified closet spaces. So let's walk over to the master bedroom. This is their mudroom entrance just off the carport. And here is the master bedroom. It's really big and spacious. They have an air conditioner in this room. There's a little bit of elevation here, so you shouldn't need air conditioning, but you have it if you want it. And then here is the ensuite bathroom. Shower behind here. Then separate toilet area. And outdoor access again. This also has sliding doors to the pool deck from here. So you can wake up in the morning and go for a swim. There is a walk-in closet here. This is the office / other bedroom. Big closets here on this side, in this one. This house has a mountain view as well as an ocean view. Has some very nice landscaping. And there is a big car-and-a-half carport. Most people here have a side-by-side with their vehicle to get around. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you want more information, please look at the listing on the website.